In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into an element in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned solid designer or just starting out, knowing how to seamlessly incorporate images into your designs can make all the difference. Let's dive straight into it. First, open Canva and select the project you're working on or start a new design. Head to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. This is your go-to place for adding various design components like shapes, graphics, and frames. Once in the Elements menu, scroll down or use the search bar to find Frames. Frames are a fantastic tool in Canva. They allow you to mask images easily, positioning them into any shape or form you desire. Click on Frames and, if needed, select See All to browse every available option. Choose a frame that suits your design needs and drag it onto your canvas. Adjust the size by clicking and dragging any corner to the desired dimensions. Next, it's time to incorporate the image you want to use. On the left-hand toolbar, click Uploads. Here you can upload your own media files, essential for adding personal images. If you haven't uploaded your image yet, click Upload and select it from your device. Once uploaded, you'll see it in the Upload section. To add the image to your frame, click on it, hold, and drag it over to the frame you placed on the canvas. Drop it into the frame. Canva will snap the image into place, fitting it perfectly within the frame. You can double-click on the image within the frame to reposition or resize it. Just click and drag to adjust it exactly how you want. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated image into a custom frame on Canva. This skill can greatly enhance your presentations, social media posts, or any design project, enabling you to create professional-looking content with ease. Keep practicing, and you'll be crafting stunning designs in no time. Happy designing!